How often should I use salt water rinse for healing gum infection?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing the frequency of using saltwater rinses to help heal gum infections. Gum infections can be uncomfortable and even painful, so it's important to take proper care of your oral health. Using a saltwater rinse can be a simple and effective way to alleviate gum infections, but how often should you do it? Let's find out.
Understanding the benefits of saltwater rinses.
Before we dive into the frequency, let's quickly review why saltwater rinses are beneficial for healing gum infections. Salt water has natural antiseptic properties that can help reduce bacteria in the mouth and promote the healing of inflamed gum tissue. It can also provide temporary relief from discomfort and soreness.
Recommended frequency for saltwater rinses.
The recommended frequency for using saltwater rinses to heal gum infections can vary depending on the severity of the infection and your dentist's advice. However, as a general guideline, using a saltwater rinse 2 to 3 times a day is usually recommended.
How to make and use a saltwater rinse.
Now that we know how often to use a saltwater rinse, let's quickly go over how to make and use one. Start by dissolving half a teaspoon of salt in 8 ounces of warm water. Make sure the water is not too hot to avoid burning your mouth. 2. Gently swish the saltwater solution in your mouth for about 30 seconds, making sure to reach all areas of your gums. 3. Spit out the solution. Avoid swallowing it, as it may not be pleasant to taste. 4. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times a day, or as recommended by your dentist.
Important considerations.
While saltwater rinses can be beneficial for healing gum infections, there are a few important considerations to keep in mind. Always consult with your dentist before starting any self-treatment for gum infections. They can provide specific recommendations based on your individual situation. Saltwater rinses are a temporary solution and should not replace professional dental care. If your gum infection persists or worsens, it's crucial to seek dental treatment. That's it for today's video on the frequency of using saltwater rinses for healing gum infections. Remember, using a saltwater rinse 2 to 3 times a day can be a good starting point, but it's essential to consult with your dentist for personalized advice. Taking care of your oral health is crucial for overall well-being, so make sure to maintain a consistent dental hygiene routine and seek professional help when needed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.